What's up everybody, Grant here from Spectra Racing. So that was my time around Road Atlanta at Gridlife South 2018. Now, as you saw in the video, I think it was like a 147 something. I think without the traffic there in the end, it would have been a low 140s. That's actually not that great of a time. It's only my third time out on Road Atlanta there. So still building up some confidence in that very intimidating track. For reference, in a similar car to mine with a 6-speed transmission, which makes a big difference as you saw on the straightaway, where I hit that just wall, only doing 130. I think it's about a 136 is what the guy won in time attack last year in a similar car to mine. So not that far off, but those, those extra couple seconds, you gotta be pretty brave. So Gridlife South itself is a 3-day event of drifting, partying, racing, time attack. They actually have a touring cup this year, a concert at Soldier Boy there, and Flosstradamus. So it's always just a ton of fun. Seeing all the drift cars and the some of the professional drivers there. You can see in this clip here there was a van, like a Honda van, an Odyssey I think, from the Honda racing team of Alabama. They actually ran a 139, which put a lot of people to shame. Now, it was a very well-prepped minivan and a professional driver running in Touring Cup. So it's still pretty funny to see that van out there running on Road Atlanta. All right, so if you didn't watch the last video, we talked about heat management with the Mustang and using some of the data and some of the upgrades I've done to see if the car would run cooler. Now, from this event, it's a little inconclusive, mainly because of the ambient temperature. The first day it was 92 degrees outside. It was just sweltering, especially getting in the race suit. It was just painful. But the car on the first day, on the first session, I did about 8 laps. And coming into the 7th lap, I hit actually 233 degrees, which is, I haven't been tracking it that long, but I think that's the hottest I've ever gotten in the car. It's probably the most amount of laps I've done in the Mustang. That's not too hot, anything to get worried about, but I think the car starts pulling timing around 212 degrees. Now, as the event progressed, I kept tracking the data. Day 1 was about 92, day 2 was not much cooler, about 90. And anytime the car got over 225, I have an idiot light that comes on and it dings me. And I actually have a sound bar in the car because the Mustang's extra loud and it's hard to hear the little tablet ding at you that you've hit 225 coolant temperature. So that way I know to start doing my cool down lap and come in. Now, on the 3rd day, the ambient air temperature, some kind of cold front came in and it was only about 78, which was about the same as it was at Daytona International Speedway for Optima, which I think I got it up to 222 degrees going into turn 1. So now on the 6 or so laps I did on the 3rd day, the highest I got it to was about 215. So looks like it made a bit of a difference. In talking to some of the other Mustang guys there and seeing the comments you guys made in the last video, definitely going to try some hood vents. I was thinking about, I had been kind of just waiting to do like a Tiger Racing hood or something, but I think just cutting up this hood will be good enough, and it's a lot cheaper, and the fitment will probably be better than trying to fit a aftermarket carbon fiber hood. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Be sure to stay tuned for the next Mustang video. We're going to be going to Sebring for Track Night in America. I've never run Sebring before, so not looking to set any record lap times, but always fun to try new tracks, new challenges, and like usual, driving this car is just a hoot. So be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.